Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change size of text cursor indicator on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change size of text cursor indicator on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Click on Easy of Access. In left pane, you will find text cursor. Click on text cursor. First of all, you need to turn on text cursor indicator. And here you will find the size of text cursor indicator. And by default, the size is 3. And here the preview, you will find preview. Now I am going to enlarge. Look, the text cursor indicator become large. If you want to minimize it, size, look, the text cursor indicator size is minimizing. Now check on search. Look, the text cursor indicator size become large. This is the easiest way to change text cursor indicator size on Windows 10 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.